and welcome back to another awesome Blender Geometry Nodes class with me, Ken. Now, I have a question for you. Have you always wanted to learn how to build your own procedural geometry nodes assets, such as fences, roads, bridges, city blocks, without having to manually duplicate your objects on your 3D space? If you have, in this beginner-friendly geometry nodes class, I'm going to show you how to build your own procedural geometry nodes picket fence that can be controlled with any curve in Blender. I'll show you some of the most important geometry nodes concepts used to create reusable procedural assets that can be customized and reused in all your future projects. And instead of telling you, pick this, connect it there, or plug this into that without explaining anything, we're going to build this together step by step as I help you understand what each node does and how it's contributing to the final result. I'm going to help you start thinking procedurally. And by the end of the class, you will have a flexible fence generator that lets you adjust spacing, height, length, and layout simply by editing a curve. In the class, I'll help you understand the anatomy of a curve and why curves are perfect for procedural modeling. I'll help you understand why geometry nodes is a modifier and how to apply it. I'll show you how to create procedural vertical pickets. You will learn how to add the horizontal support rails. And we will finish up by converting your setup into a reusable geometry nodes asset using Blender's asset browser. You will build the picket fence once and be able to reuse it in any future Blender project. This is the same methodology used by other Blender users to create reusable geometry nodes products for websites like Superhive. If you visit the site, you will find many procedural assets on sale and people are earning an income from them. By the end of this class, you won't just have a fence. You will have your first reusable procedural asset that can be sold, shared, or added to your personal project, and the knowledge to build many more such setups. Now, you don't need to have any prior geometry nodes experience, but a basic understanding of Blender's UI and some of the basic and commonly used tools to add objects to the 3D scene is all you need. So, are you ready to get started? Let's dive right in.